Guys, welcome back to my channel. So my real hair is back out. I took out my sew-in last night and then got a relaxer done and then a fresh dye, you know. So yeah, today's video is in collaboration with Better Length, as you can probably tell from the title. So they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a review of a set of their clip-ins, and my answer was hell yes, because they have clip-in extensions that blends perfectly with like natural hair. I don't care if your hair is like 4C, 4B, 4A, whatever the textures are, they have a clip-in extensions for your texture. Also, they have one for us relaxed girls, so I'm so excited. I have worn clip-ins before, but they don't always blend because they're too silky or the texture is just never like perfect, you know? So they sent me a set of their light Yaki clip-in extensions, and it comes in this really cute like silk bag, and it's just adorable. I feel like this is just so cute because you can keep them in here too, like when they're not in your head, and just have them nice and, you know, secure. I'll just show you guys a closer look. So it's just this silk little thing here. So once you take it out of the little silk thing, it's in this plastic. This is what's written on the plastic here. So this is what the hair looks like outside of the plastic. And guys, I can already see that it's going to blend perfectly. I already know. And I must say it feels pretty freaking similar. It's a little bit more coarse, but I feel like that's not a problem for me. Honestly, that's not a problem. So I really, oh my gosh, guys, I am excited. Okay, so before I start to clip them in, let me just show you what else comes in the bag. So it comes with an extra clip as well as some needle and thread, which is smart, very smart, because you will need that if one were to fall off. And then they wrote me a note to Dear Octavia. So I'm gonna actually clip these in my hair today because I wanna wear them before I do like the styling video. Just wanna feel them out. But I wanna just separate the tracks now. So this particular track that I just took off it has two clips on the weft. And I love that the hair is coarser because I feel like if it wasn't like coarser hair, it would not give you the body that you want. So I really love it. And this is just one of the things. So I'm just gonna clip these in really quickly. So I'm gonna be putting in the two clips at the very bottom. So I brought you guys on this side so you can see how I clip them in. It was hard to show you on the bed. I'm gonna turn around. One thing to remember, I did not use a comb to part my hair. I use my fingers because I like when it's a little bit rough. I hate doing like straight parts. So this is basically how my hair is parted. It's just, you know, crazy. So I'm just gonna grab my hair, and the clips are all open, and I'm basically just putting it on my hair and clipping. And trust me guys, they're not going anywhere. I'm just detangling with my finger. The hair is pretty coarse, but it's not like hard to do this, you know? All right, let's move on. So I like to just stop halfway and kind of see how things are blending, because obviously I need to blend it because my hair is obviously pretty short. So time for me to start working my magic. Okay. All right. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, you guys, but it's really blending. The clips are pretty sturdy and strong. Like they're really gripping like my hair. Not in a bad way where it's gonna like tear out your hair, but it's really gripping. Some clips, they slide because my hair isn't as coarse naturally. It's pretty silky, as you can tell, and fine. So clips don't really grab on too much. And it hits me right by my waist. I'm gonna turn around as well so you guys can see. It's me right here. We'll be doing a styling thing next, showing you guys how I would style this in like, you know, braids and buns and stuff. So look out for that video. All right guys, that's it for this video. I'm so obsessed with this hair. I think it looks so nice. Do you guys like it? I think it looks really nice and it's blending really well. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a hairstyling video next, doing all sorts of styles with these extensions, so look out for that. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one.